Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hatha. Today, I will show you a simple way to improve your English, step by step, starting from only one word. And what is your English level right now? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to ask you 30 questions. Keep track of how many you answer correctly, because by the end, you'll know your CFR English level from beginner to advanced. Let's get started. The first 10 questions are beginner level. For each question, you'll see 3 sentences. Choose the one that is grammatically correct. Ready? Question 1. Catherine don't like spicy food. Catherine isn't like spicy food. Catherine doesn't like spicy food. The correct answer is Catherine doesn't like spicy food. Question 2. This car is bigger than that one. This car is more big than that one. This car is the biggest that one. The correct answer is this car is bigger than that one. Question 3. Alex has a meeting on Monday. Alex has a meeting on Monday. Alex has a meeting at Monday. The correct answer is Alex has a meeting on Monday. Question 4. Leo bought an umbrella. Leo bought an umbrella. Leo bought an umbrella. The correct answer is Leo bought an umbrella. Question 5. I think it rains tonight. I think it will rain tonight. I think it is raining tonight. The correct answer is I think it will rain tonight. Question 6. That backpack is mine. That backpack is to me. That backpack is mine. The correct answer is that backpack is mine. Question 7. Did you watch the movie yesterday? Did you watch the movie yesterday? Have you watched the movie yesterday? The correct answer is, did you watch the movie yesterday? Question 8. There is some rice in the bowl. There are some rices in the bowl. There is many rice in the bowl. The correct answer is, there is some rice in the bowl. Question 9. Him called she last night. He called her last night. Her called him last night. The correct answer is, he called her last night. Question 10. They have studied English for 5 years. They have studied English since 5 years. They have studied English from 5 years. The correct answer is, they have studied English for 5 years. Congratulations, you've now finished the beginner section of the test. If you got 7 or more correct, you're likely A1. If you got 9 or more, you're at least A2. Let's continue. The next 10 questions are intermediate level. Question 1. You have must to complete your homework. You must completing your homework. You must complete your homework. The correct answer is, you must complete your homework. Question 2. Lena never gives attention in class. Lena never pays attention in class. Lena never throws attention in class. The correct answer is, Lena never pays attention in class. Question 3. Have you ever visited Europe? Did you ever visited Europe? Have you ever visiting Europe? The correct answer is, have you ever visited Europe? Question 4. If we leave early, we'd arrive on time. If we leave early, we'll arrive on time. If we leave early, we'd have arrived on time. The correct answer, if we leave early, we'll arrive on time. Question 5. Emma speaks English fluent than her brother. Emma speaks English more fluent than her brother. Emma speaks English more fluently than her brother. The correct answer is, Emma speaks English more fluently than her brother. Question 6. To read books is my favorite hobby. Reading books is my favorite hobby. To reading books is my favorite hobby. The correct answer is, reading books is my favorite hobby. Question 7. My partner hardly never eats meat. My partner never hardly eats meat. My partner hardly ever eats meat. The correct answer is, my partner hardly ever eats meat. Question 8. Alex often forgets to lock the door. Alex often forgets locking the door. Alex often forgets to locking the door. The correct answer is, Alex often forgets to lock the door. Question 9. Daniel should have told his parents sooner. Daniel should have been telling his parents sooner. Daniel should have told his parents sooner. The correct answer is, Daniel should have told his parents sooner. Question 10. Could you give me a lift to the station? Could you give me to the station a lift? Could you give me a lift at the station? The correct answer is, could you give me a lift to the station? Great job. You've now completed the intermediate section. If you got 7 or more correct, you're likely B1. If you got 9 or more correct, you're likely B2. Now let's move to the final section. These last 10 questions are advanced level. Question 1. It's freezing outside, isn't it? It's freezing outside, isn't he? It's freezing outside, isn't it? The correct answer is, it's freezing outside, isn't it? Question 2. The author's explanation was deliberately leaving readers to draw their own conclusions. Obvious, ambiguous, clear. The correct answer is ambiguous. Question 3. By this time next year, she at her new job for 5 years will have been working. Will work. Worked. The correct answer is will have been working. Question 4. Amelia's dream of becoming a singer never quite turned up. Panda out. Kicked off. The correct answer is panned out. Question 5. To have wasted 2 hours, Mike finally started his essay. He had wasted 2 hours. Mike finally started his essay. Having wasted 2 hours, Mike finally started his essay. The correct answer is having wasted 2 hours. Mike finally started his essay. Question 6. The guide suggests booking your tickets at least 3 months. Ego in advance beforehand. The correct answer is in advance. Question 7. Jordan is such an inspiring individual. Jordan is such inspiring an individual. Jordan is such an inspiring individual. The correct answer is Jordan is such an inspiring individual. Question 8. After reviewing the evidence, the manager asked the team, decision, report, verdict. The correct answer is decision. Question 9. When Liam received the promotion, he was absolutely ecstatic, annoyed, confused. The correct answer, ecstatic. Question 10. No matter how difficult the project appears, keep in mind that you are beats, confident, unprepared, careless. The correct answer is confident. Congratulations. You've successfully completed the advanced level. If you got 7 or more correct, you're likely C1. If you got 9 or more, you're probably C2. Great job for completing the test. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next